There are so many things to do still in this heat.
I was just thinking that maybe the least likely weekend to have a lot of outdoor things happening, and yet it's all happening.
It's so busy.
Yeah, so if you can get out there and just kind of bear the humidity, the extreme heat during the day, maybe the evening or morning, whatever you're doing this weekend, of course, that'd be a good idea. Our heat this time last year was getting really extreme. We were hitting triple digits, and we're almost there as we get into this stretch of August this year too. I think we probably will at least get really close to 100 degrees next week, and we have the heat this weekend, of course, as well. We're expecting scattered storms tomorrow, though, so decent chance to get at least some cooling rain, especially later in the afternoon. Might still get super hot before we get the rain. And then we aren't expecting tropical impacts here, but Florida is gearing up for tropical storm conditions, possibly Sunday, and now looking like with that system maybe slowing down a little bit, maybe into early Monday as well. For us, though, we're looking for a heat advisory tomorrow. Our heat index up to 112 or so, and our temperature even right now at 86 degrees. Our feels like temperatures have been in the triple digits, and we are looking for our feels like temperatures tomorrow and then Sunday, too, to be pretty scorching, as we are expecting that rain chance to be lower on Sunday, and not that high into the work week either. Satellite and radar is mostly pretty quiet, but moving through precision cast here, this is tomorrow, so this is around noon, not much happening. But look at this little surface front sneaking in from the north. That should provide just enough lift as it kind of digs in here south of its current location to provide enough of that lift in the atmosphere to bring some showers and storms, a little flare up of those in the afternoon. And then this is by 7 p.m., probably a lot quieter by then. And then this is on Sunday. The front sort of stalls here, washes out and weakens. So Sunday, not expecting as much rain, but still a chance for a couple of isolated showers or storms. And most of that would calm down for the evening as well. Tonight, warm and humid, of course, north and south shore of Lake Pontchartrain, upper 70s to about 80. And tomorrow I have highs near 95, not quite as high as the rest of the 7-day forecast. And that's because of that decent chance for the scattered showers and storms. We just heard about a ton of events. So if you can get out there and remember to, of course, drink lots of water and dress the right way and so forth, you could maybe have a great time. Our temperature tomorrow around 95 for the high, feeling like up to 112 or 113. And for Sunday, too, Satchmo Summerfest, White Linen Night, all the things happening this weekend. Just looking hot and muggy, but it's early August. We wouldn't really think it would be any different, would we? Tropical Depression 4, meantime, has formed over Cuba. And we are expecting this to take this path into the Gulf of Mexico. So a lot will depend on the exact path. Now, really, even if it shifts a bit west or east, we're really not expecting direct impacts at this time for Louisiana or coastal Mississippi, but Florida will see some very differing impacts depending on little changes in the path. For example, if it goes a little farther east, that would make landfall at a totally different point from where they have it here around the Big Bend, or if it were to shift a bit more with all that rain wrapping around the eastern side of the system, that would put more of the Florida Panhandle with some heavier rain. So we'll have to see, but it does look like it will get drawn off this way because this trough is going to attract it to the north and northeast. But if it moves away, the trough kind of pulls away, that's what may cause it to slow down here over Florida and into the southeastern coast of the U.S. But decent consensus. Again, the key is keeping it far from Louisiana and Mississippi in the general spot where you can see the path right now. So we'll keep tracking it, but it does look like those tropical watches and warnings are going to be for Florida with maybe 3 to 6 inches of rain. That would probably be the biggest threat. And again, if it spends a little more time over the Gulf of Mexico before moving into Florida, that may give it a bit of time to strengthen. So right now it looks like a tropical storm. Not out of the question to see it gain hurricane status, though, before it makes landfall. 7-day forecast here, super hot, getting close to 100.